Hello guys, you use smartphone ZTE Blade A31 Plus. This version 1GB memory and 32GB internal memory. In completation we have only adapter for charging and micro USB cable. Okay. Device made of plastic. On the back side camera LED, on the front side 6-inch display, power key, warm keys, upside headphones jack, downside microphone. Okay. Under back cover we have battery 3000 mAh and two slots for nano SIM card and slot for nano SIM card and slot for micro SD card for memory. Okay. Display we have IPS. Open Geekbench 5. Talk about system information. Okay, benchmarks. We have CPU Spreadtrum SC9863, octa-core processor 4+4 cores, and GPU PowerVR. Look results: single core score and multi-core score. Okay, and look Antutu benchmark results. Antutu benchmark results. Okay, close this. And the mining game PUBG Mobile works on the low graphic level, Standoff works on the low graphic level, Minecraft works on the low graphic level. Okay, and now I show you photos and the main camera now. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.